Hello students, in the first lecture of this social studies, we will discuss resource and development topic of class 10th. First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Ravinder. I completed my geography honors from Guru Jambheshwar University of Science and Technology, Hisar, Haryana, and then I completed my MSc from the same university. Then I completed my PG diploma in remote sensing and GIS from Haryana Agriculture University. I have more than 2 years of teaching experience as a private tutor and running my personal YouTube channel with 800 plus subscribers for the use your PG students also. So we will start the topic resources and development. So the point comes, what is resource? Everything which is our surrounding in the environment, we can call it as a resource. If it fulfills the three basic conditions, first one is it should be technologically accessible. Second is economically feasible. And the third is culturally acceptable. If anything fulfills these three basic requirements, then we can call it as a resource. Human beings, we also are a resource. Sometimes we listen that India have a huge amount of human resource because our population is large. Now the classification of resources. The resources are broadly classified into two categories. First is natural resources, which are provided by the nature, and the second is human resources. For example, we the human beings. And then the further classification of resources on different bases: renewable resources, non-renewable resources, biotic, abiotic. We will discuss all these things in the next slides. Classification of resources. The classification is mainly based on, first is basis on the origin. These are the biotic resources and abiotic resources. The second type is on the basis of exhaustibility. On the basis of exhaustibility, these are renewable resource and non-renewable resource. And then on the basis of ownership, there are four main types: individual resource, community resource, national or international resources. And the last type is on the basis of status of development, potential, developed stock and reserves. These are the fourth classification. So we will discuss the first classification on the basis of origin. The first classification is biotic or abiotic resources. Biotic resources are those resources which are obtained from the biosphere or have their own life. For example, we human beings, all the flora and fauna, they have their lifespan, they are biotic resources. And abiotic resources which are composed from the non-living things, and examples are like rock, metals. In the given picture, we can clearly see the biotic resources and abiotic resources. Biotic like fungi, plants, animals, protists, bacteria, these all are biotic resources. And abiotic resources like soil, light, water, air, this is abiotic resources. Next classification is on the basis of exhaustibility. There is renewable resources and non-renewable resources. The first one is renewable, means the resources which we can renew, and they can be reproduced by physical, chemical, or mechanical processes. For example, the solar energy, wind energy, these all are the renewable resources. And the second is non-renewable, the reverse of renewable. The resources which we cannot renew are known as non-renewable resources. But the non-renewable resource is also renewable, but after a long geological period of time. For example, there is a coal. Coal is renewable, but it takes lakhs of years for its renewation or reproduction. So these are the non-renewable resources which cannot be renewed in a short period of time. Example like solar, hydropower, biomass, wind, geothermal, these all are the renewable resources. And oil, coal, nuclear, and natural gas, these all are the non-renewable resources. So thank you. In this lecture, we will discuss all the rest things in the further lectures. And thank you and have a good day.